Just a few more taps. What is that thing?
It's my flying sandal.
Flying? That's crazy. Need power of water. One more splash.
Guys, first of all, take a look at this channel. This channel has uploaded only 2 videos. One video was uploaded 10 months ago, and the second video was uploaded 4 months ago. The video uploaded 10 months ago gained 8.1 million views, and the video uploaded 4 months ago gained 201,000 views. According to the channel statistics, this channel has 94.9K subscribers, and with only 2 videos, it has already gained millions of views. Now, if we talk about the earnings, according to social media estimations, this channel is making around 91.5 monthly and approximately 33 KI yearly. In the last 13 days, the channel gained 365K views and 2.2K new subscribers. So guys, today we are going to create fully animated videos exactly like this. So please do not skip the video. Now guys, I have already prepared a ready-to-use master prompt for you. Inside this prompt, I have added important sections such as important, rules, style reference, main character design, story structure, and output format. Now what you need to do is simply copy this prompt. After copying it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will generate everything for you. First, it will generate Section 1, which will be a viral cartoon story. Then it will generate Section 2, which will be the main character design. After that, it will generate Section 3, which will contain 10 image prompts. And finally, it will generate video prompts and voiceover scripts. So basically, everything will be ready for you. Now, in the next step, I will show you how to create consistent character images. For this, simply go to Flow AI. The link will be available in the description. Once you open Flow AI, click on Create with AI. After clicking, you will see several sections. First, we will generate images. Click on the Image option. Then click on Prompt and select Portrait. After that, select the model and choose the image ratio. Now the important step. You need to upload the main character image. You can take this character, screenshot from the channel that I showed earlier, simply upload that character image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it here. After that, click Generate. Now the image generation has started. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. In the same way, generate all the remaining images for every scene. Now here you can see the final result. All images are ready. They look super amazing. The character is consistent. The village is the same, but every scene is different. Now simply download all these images. Make sure to download them in 2K image upscale so the quality stays HD. Now the next step is video generation. For video generation, we will use a tool called Grok. Now let me show you how to use it. Simply open Grok AI and log in. After logging in, look at the left side panel. You will see an option called Imagine. Click on Imagine. After clicking it, select Video, then click the plus icon and upload the first image. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 video prompt, and paste it here. Then click Generate. Now the video generation has started. Within a short time, your first animated scene will be ready. Guys, AI is not just about creating videos. It also teaches you how to build a system that can generate income. Later, I will also show you how you can earn from these videos. Now, as you can see, our video with voiceover is ready. Look how amazing it looks. The character is consistent, the villagers are in the background, and the 2D cartoon style looks perfect. Now simply download this video. For the next scene, repeat the same process. Upload the next image, copy the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok AI, and click Generate. Now I will repeat the same process for every video scene. You will see that I simply upload each image one by one, paste the scene prompt, and the generation immediately starts. After a short moment, the AI automatically generates the animated video for that scene. So basically, I follow the exact same steps for every scene. There is no need to change anything. Grok AI is a very powerful and easy-to-use AI tool that allows you to turn static images into animated scenes within seconds. One of the best things about Grok AI is that it supports image-to-video generation, which means you can upload a single image and convert it into a fully animated video scene. This tool is becoming very popular among creators because it saves a lot of time and does not require complicated editing skills. You simply upload your image, paste your prompt, and the AI automatically generates smooth animation, camera movement, and scene motion. Another great advantage of Grok AI is that it can generate videos very quickly while maintaining consistent style and quality. That is why it is perfect for creating cartoon storytelling videos, short animations, and viral YouTube Shorts content. Once all the videos are generated, the next step is editing. Open any editing software. Combine all the scenes together and create a 1-minute video. Then upload this as a YouTube short. Create a channel similar to this niche and start uploading these videos daily if you want. Comment below and tell me. If I receive 3 or 4 comments asking about SEO settings, I will make a complete video explaining YouTube SEO for this channel. So create your channel, set up the SEO, and start uploading daily videos. Within just 1 month, you will see how fast your channel grows. Now, if we talk about RPM, this niche has a very high RPM because most of the audience is from the United States, and kids watch these videos a lot. That means the RPM can reach around $7 to $8 per $1,000 views. Now, as you can see, all the videos are ready. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.